Hey everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to a feature of HubSpot, and it's specifically the HubSpot Insights functionality when it comes to web technologies. So in HubSpot, under companies, you've got a certain kind of property called web technologies. And this is information that's pulled in from HubSpot's system where they've used public data and other kind of technology to find out all the details of certain companies, some information that you may not know for the company. And one of the properties that they have, this web technologies property, allows you to see some of the software that may be publicly known about what the company's using, looking into things like the tech on their website, the snippets and other sort of details that are available on their website to give you an indication of what technology the company might be using. So I can give you some examples here. We can see here in my system some of the prospects and clients and companies that I'm interacting with here. We can see a list of the different tools and software that they're using. And we can control or filter this by finding the property web technologies. And we can search for that in our system, web technologies when you're filtering. And then you can also add in specific technology as well. They've got a big list that's included here. It's not possible to edit this list. This is a default list from HubSpot, but we can search for example, HubSpot, and we can see which company is using HubSpot. We could do the same for, say, MailChimp or other software as well. And then we can potentially use this to interact with that company, to talk to them about the product, about this software. Maybe you offer some service that relates to this, or it can help you in terms of your sales process as well. So we can see this here. And if you wanted to go into more detail and have a look at what the software that is mentioned in this, you can go into properties, into settings, then properties. You can do a search under company properties for web technologies like this. And then here we can see the full list of all different software that's available in HubSpot. And this is kind of like Builtwith. If you've used Builtwith.com, you may be familiar with this site and this extension called Builtwith, which you can install in Chrome. And so with this, you can do a similar sort of thing. So you can type in a company. Let's say, for example, I choose a large consulting firm, Deloitte.com, and we can see some of the software they're using, Marketo, Omniture from Adobe, and all these different tools. And this is represented in HubSpot with the web technologies property as well. So this information is actually coming from HubSpot's system, from HubSpot's Insights database, and it's not built with the Builtwith.com platform, but it's very, very similar. If you prefer Builtwith, or if you want to cross-check, there's also a Builtwith extension or app that you can plug into HubSpot as well. So you could also try that if you're interested in having something to compare it to. I really like the default data that's already in HubSpot, nice and easy to use. But if you did want to add this integration, this is another one as well. So I hope this has been useful. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it. And if you'd like to see any other videos about HubSpot or Zapier or any other software sort of tips and tricks, please feel free to subscribe and like the video if this has been useful for you, and share any comments below. And look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.